Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make chana fry. I have taken over here half kg chana. You can see I have taken half kg chana soaked in the water. So while I am making the chana fry, I will show you the ingredients. So come on, let us start with the recipe now. If you like my channel, please comment, share, subscribe. Put some oil. Put the bay leaves. Put in the onions. Put in the chilies, green chilies. Onions are turned brown. Now I'll put in the chana, which I have soaked. Fry the chana nicely. Chana is fried. Put in the salt. Put in the saffron. Put in little chili powder. Put in little dhania powder. Put in little jeera powder. Mix it well. Put little bit water. And let the chana cook for some time. After the water is dried up, fry the chana nicely. Chana fry is ready. You can sprinkle some chaat masala. Put some raw onions on top of it and then eat it. It will be very delicious to eat. Thank you for watching my video.